Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to see Facebook password. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So first step, you have to log into your Facebook account and then make sure that this is the account that you wanted to see the password. So here, if you go to your Facebook application, if you're using application here and go to your settings and privacy, and then look for your password here. Unfortunately, if you're using your Facebook application, you cannot see your Facebook password. You can see here the current, the new, and confirm. So you need to enter a password right here in order for you to change your password. So as you can see, there is no password right here. There is no icon. So what you're going to do in order for you to see your Facebook password is you have to open that to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then log into your Facebook right here. What you're going to do next is tap on this three dots at the top right corner, scroll down, and then here you have to look for password manager. Tap on password manager. Now here on the password manager section, you will see all the applications that you have logged into this browser, including the password. So all you have to do is look for Facebook. As you can see, I have 14 accounts, and then here you have to look for the specific Facebook account that you want to see the password, which is this one. I have to tap this icon in order for me to see my Facebook password. And that's how easy it is to see Facebook password. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.